Manifesting is an amazing experience. It's all about changing what's up here to change what's out there in the world.
There is no limit to what you can be, do, or have.
For me, it's about becoming the best version of myself.
If you want to have a six-pack abs and best shape of your life, if you want to be a billionaire, if you want the love of your life step in your life tomorrow, you can manifest that, but it does take work.
The universe is not going to deliver it to you unless you take action.
Some people really struggle with the law of attraction. They just don't get the results they want. Maybe I don't think I'm worth it. Maybe I don't think I have the intelligence.
It's amazing how much we are actually in our own way.
Not taking action is the biggest obstacle people face. You've got to take some action.
There's a whole science behind manifesting and how it actually really works. And when you can understand the science, everything becomes easy and simple, and the whole process works for everybody.
And then from there is where the whole path opens up.
By changing the way you think, your experience with the world changes.
Every step you take, the universe is going to take 10 steps towards you.
Return to the basics, return to the science, the replicable science of manifesting. Here's the thing, manifesting isn't complicated. As John Conway said, cats are complicated.